How it goes, folks? We're also here from Epperson Woodworking. Today we're doing a little something different. Not no woodworking. I got my 2002 Chevy Ventura here, and as you can see, I got my headlight here. The lens is falling off. That one's got the lens on it. This one's falling off. So I was going to do a little short video here and show me replacing it. Kind of a DIY how-to type thing. But Chevy's made it pretty simple here. You got a wing nut here, a wing nut here, and a wing nut here that I've already loosened up. And this whole assembly just pulls out. When you get it pulled out, it looks just like that assembly right there. So bear with me here a moment. I've only got, I don't have a stand to hold my camera, so I'll got to pause it here for a minute. But bear with me for one moment, and I'll show you guys how easy it comes out. Literally, that's simple, folks. You got a plug on the back. You have to unplug. Literally, that's simple, folks. The whole thing just comes right out. I'm holding the phone one hand, recording, and pulled it out with the other hand. Literally that easy, folks. 10 minutes, it's changed. Y'all like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching Epperson Woodworking.